G'day, I'm Kerry Hauser from Hauser Farms. We're at Glengrove in Queensland. Our family's been farming in the Glengrove area now for 50 years. Myself and my son Lachlan, we grow potatoes, carrots, beans and pumpkins. In 2017, we started off with a few trials of Serenade Prime, which is a biological product that we saw would fit in with our program to improve soil health, yield and quality. Since our initial trials in 2017, we've put specialised spray equipment on our potato planter, carrot planter, bean and pumpkin planter, so that we can get the Serenade Prime right where it needs to go, so we get full efficiency out of it. It was quite easy to modify our equipment. The potato planter, we already have that spray equipment on there for using Confidor Guard. The carrot planter was quite a simple thing that we decided we could do ourselves. We're actually putting the product close to the seed piece where it needs to be, and it's available as soon as those seeds germinate. The roots are straight into it. The Serenade Prime is very easily mixed, keeps well in a tank. So in the potato crops with the Serenade Prime, in our initial trials, when I'm harvesting along, you see small potatoes that are falling through the web, and you're seeing large ones that are misshapen or growth cracked that the girls on the harvester are throwing out on the ground. And as soon as I got into where our trial was, I just noticed it straight away. There was no potatoes being left on the ground. It makes the small ones a little bit bigger, the big ones a little bit smaller, and it just seems to take out the defects, which really helps when it comes back to the packing shed. It just streamlines operations. The packing shed runs a lot more efficient when they're not getting second grade brought back. With the carrots, we seem to get a lot more even size now with the Serenade Prime that we apply there, and same with the beans and the pumpkins. There seems to be a lot more consistent size. All the plants are so much healthier below the ground, better root systems. If they've got a better root system, they can naturally handle adverse effects, and everything seems to streamline along from there. Soil health is very important to us because we've been here for 50 years, we plan on being here a lot longer, so that's something that we really focus on, and it's giving us benefits with better quality. Serenade Prime definitely has a long time to be used in our farming operation.